Guess what, guys? I have a name for him. His name is Noah. One of my friends at school commented a name, and his name is Noah, and that's his actual name, so it's kind of cool. So this is Noah. Rex, come on. Did I not name Rex? Here, I'm gonna name you now, Rex. Name. There you go, Rex. Stand up. Let's go. I'm gonna bring the puppy from the spa thing. But he doesn't have a name yet. He still needs a name. Haven't got one. Shut the door. Here's Lovey from the last video. So now I have a horse in the backyard. I'm actually going to do something. I should probably name her actual name. Okay, guys, I'm going to tie you up to a post. This is such a bad idea, so then I have to read. Anyways, oh, sorry. Oh my god, stop walking in front of me. Now, everybody eat. I'm going to feed you in a minute. Don't you dare have babies. I just remembered about that. Don't have babies. Okay, so I fed her. She hasn't got hearts, so they won't make babies. I'll give her food once he's done with hearts. Well, I'll give her one food so that she can get some fish from here. Fish. Where are you? Here's the fish. I'll keep the fish. There's a fish on me. So there you go. Now I had. What was I doing? Oh yeah, putting this name tag as Lovey. I think that was her name from the last video. Hopefully. Love, I think. I don't know. I can't remember. That's great. Lovey. If it isn't, now it is. Oh my god. I'm an idiot. I left the doors open. Now they're all in here. Shh. Yeah, okay. Come here, Lovey. Name tag you. There you go. Now I'm shutting this door. Okay, now I have to. No, I didn't shut that. Here, kitty. Noah. 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 I was going on a walk with you guys. Stop moving. I'm gonna punch one of you guys by accident. Come here. If you jump in the water, Noah, no. Come here, Rex. Rex, leash. I just punched Rex, didn't I? Oh my. Okay, people, food. You want food? Feed. Feed. Mom. Let's go get the puppy from over here, which has 0 name. Come here. Come on. All out. Even you. Is this Rex? Yeah, that's Rex. Rex, come on. You aren't going to the hospital, or is that whatever you call it? Come on. We're just gonna walk around.